Hello, friends. You're welcome. It's been a while. How is your day moving? Hope it's going on fine. And in this video, I'll be guiding you on how to prepare this shirt invisible bottle front, and it's going to be as usual, step by step on the preparation. Please stay put and watch as I carry on these tasks. And please don't forget to give me a like on this video. If you are new to my channel, hit on that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to all. Let's now proceed to work. Invisible button, the area, the flap for the invisible button has to be prepared first before cutting. So I have to make the preparation for that right now. This is 3 inches. No, 3 inches will not be enough for this. 3 inches will not be enough. Now, what I would have done as I'm preparing, I would have my electric iron with me. As I fold, I iron so that it doesn't go out. But since I don't have my electric iron here with my iron equipment, what I have to do is to use my office pin to hold it. After folding, I will hold it with my office pin. So with the office pin on it, is going to guide it, hold it until I'm ready to sew. So this is okay, I will make it 4 inches. I'll make this 4 inches. This 4 inches. And the next thing I'm going to do right now is that I will fold it this way. I fold it to myself and now fold it back again. Now I want you to know something. Why folding it back? It is not double at this point. The folding is not double at this point. You can see it's double at this point. But why folding on this side? You have to make the inner one to go inside more than the outer one. This is the one I will be seeing, that will be seen. This is the one that will be seen. Why the button will be on this area? The button will be on this area. That's why we are folding it. I'm folding it double. I'm going to fold it double folding. So this area that I folded double will be the area to have the button. And actually, why folding it? You have to understand the place where supposed to be the place we are supposed to be folding this double. It ought to, for men, it ought to be on the left hand side, because the buttonhole will be on the left hand side while the button will be on the right hand side, while that of the female will be on the right hand side, the buttonhole on the right hand side, while the button will be on the left hand side. So on this is a male safety shirt. So the next thing I have to do is just to pin it. Having folded this way, I have to pin all of them from the beginning to the end. Remember, I said this is 4 inches. You're supposed not to exceed 4 inches. Let me check from the beginning to the end. Oh, this exceeded 4 inches. So this is 4 inches. 4 inches. This is 4 inches. This is 4 inches. 4 inches. So the whole of this is 4 inches. Now I want to guide it with my office pin. The first thing I have to do is to guide here. Guide the first one. The first folding. I'm guiding the first folding. Actually, I will likely remove this first guiding, because after I have finished guiding the second one, I have to remove this first guide. The reason why I'm guiding this, so that it will not exceed more than the 4 inches. That's why I'm guiding it. I said, assuming I have my iron here, I would have used iron to iron it and it would have been flat. So since I don't have my iron here, I have to use my office pin to guide it. So I just finished guiding the first folding. I will now push this. I fold this to myself. You can see it. There is something I want you to note. Whatever value this gives to you, this or 2.5, 2.5, 2.5, 2.5. So you're going to make sure that the whole value 2.5, you get the 2.5 at each of the edge of it. Then you fold it back. I'm folding it back. So I'm done with the folding. This is the double folding. But what I have to do now is that this foreign edge, you can see the foreign edge is supposed to be inside, but never mind. What is important is for me to guide the double folding. This is the invisible button folding on the area. So what is very important is to guide the double folding. Later, while sewing, I will use my electric iron to send the foreign edge inside. I send it inside, so before I now run my stitch on it. So having said this, so I have to guide it first. I'm guiding now with my office pin. I'm guiding with my office pin. So I'm done with the guiding of the second stage. So what I have to do is I will loosen out the first guiding, the first office pin which I have guided. I will lose it out. As I'm losing it, you can see me losing it out. So I just finished losing it. I will push this to myself. I push it to myself. You can see what I'm doing. I push it to myself, and what I will do now is that I will now fold here. I will fold this edge. This is the opposite side. I have to fold it. Fold here. This is the opposite side. I will also guide it with my office pin. This is the right hand side. This is the right hand side. So I'm done guiding this. So what I have to do now is that I will start the drafting. I will start drafting out the safety shirt, or we call it cover shirt. So